Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to be reviewing the Cosmos Anastasia palette. This is Anastasia's newest palette that just came out. I was very torn between this palette and the excuse me, and the Yucca palette from Natasha Denona. But ultimately I chose this. I feel like I'd get more use out of this for the summertime. And it's also a lot cheaper than Natasha Denona. So I think Natasha Denona is like 69, 70 bucks. And the Anastasia is $55 now. So yeah, there's that. I got this from Ulta. I know there's a lot of reviews so far on this, of course, because it's a new launch. And a lot of the reviews say that like their palettes come shattered. But I'm pleased to announce that mine did not. So again, I ordered mine from Ulta. So I don't know if that makes a difference or what. It was in like a bubble wrap white envelope. So I was very surprised that it didn't get shattered. Because it wasn't in a box. It was in a soft bubble wrap, just plain white envelope, but so big. But again, I'm pleased. None of my shades got shattered. I have no idea what kind of look I'm going to create today, so I guess we'll just find out together. And I'm going to be using most of my Luxie brushes. I think they're all Luxie. Yeah, they're all Luxie brushes. If you hear any scratching in the background, my bearded dragon enclosure, or my son's bearded dragon enclosures in our bedroom, and it's right next to me, and she is in a mood today. She is... and I call it the zoomies. She's like zooming back and forth, and she's just having a good old time. So if you hear any scratching or anything, that's Stella running back and forth. So just ignore that, pretend you don't hear it. Moving on. I think the first shade I'm going to go in with is probably Space Dust down here with a fluffy brush. First, I'm going to peel this little sticker that's on the mirror so I can see. So this is the Tapered Blending, the Luxie 205. Again, just a little tiny bit of color, nothing too drastic. It's a little bit powdery, but not too bad, just blow it away. Excuse all the coughing, I've been coughing a lot lately. Damn, where do I want to go with this? Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade Eclipse. I might do something very, very dark. I haven't done anything really super dark. Have I ever on this channel? I'm not sure, but I think we're gonna go dark with this look. Going with the shade Eclipse down here and take that in my crease area. On another fluffy brush, something that's not too fluffy though. This is the Luxie 207 blending brush. Let me make sure. No, 237 blending brush. And just taking that right in the crease. I think the next shade I'm going to go in with is Dark Matter. And I'm going to keep that on the very, very outer corner. That's the shade right here. It's pretty much a matte black. Let's see. I'm going to use a flat, looks like a, it's marketed as a concealer brush, but whatever, it's just a flat taper brush. This is the Luxie 211. I'm just gonna like just get it right on the tip, not too much, because it's a matte black. With that same brush, and actually the same side, I'm just going to like wipe it on a paper towel I have here on my lap. And go in with this sparkly matte shade. It was kind of like a bluish called Galaxy. At least I think it's a matte. It looks like a matte if you use it glitters, but we'll find out. Yeah. And just put that all over the lid. Now I'm gonna go back in with that second brush, which was the Luxie 237 blending brush, and just kind of blend out the edges with no additional product. Well, this is certainly different for me. Going back in with the first brush I used for the transition area. And that was the Luxie 205. Going back in with the, what's this color? Space Dust right here. Back in the transition area. Now with the, I'm not quite sure what I want to do. I'm not quite sure what I want to do next, but I think I'm going to go in with this Super Cluster shade right here, which looks like a blue, but we shall see. I'm going in with the same flat brush, the Luxie 211. I'm just gonna go and flip on this side. First, I'm gonna try to rub off any additional product on a paper towel. And then go over top. Oh my god, it looks green. Okay. It looked blue in the pan, but okay, we'll work with it. I mean, if you tap off your brush, you don't really get too much fallout. I am getting a little bit of the sparkles from this trippy blue greenish duochrome shade, but like you could barely see it on camera. But yeah, I just have a couple little sparkle flecks. I mean, it doesn't bother me. It's not too bad. Just make sure you really tap off your brush or do your eye makeup first. I'm gonna wipe off any additional product on a paper towel. And I think I'm gonna go in with Stella's bugging out. With this shade. I don't know the name. I can't say it's Quasar, whatever. This shade right here. Which looks pink, but it looks like it flips a little greenish. We shall see. And this palette is just full of surprises today. I'm just gonna go in the inner corner of the eye, and we shall see. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. Whatever, we made it this far. Let's, I guess, keep going. I'm trying to use a lot of the shades, and well, at least a lot of the shimmery duochrome shades as much as I can to kind of get a feel for what I'm working with, but I don't even know what I want to do next. I'm like afraid to go into these shades because none of the colors are what I was expecting it to be. Whatever, let's go with this Mercury shade right here, which looks like a silvery color. And I guess we're just gonna go and place that right here. I mean, how we made it this far. Again, same brush. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I am not really feeling this look, but we're gonna go with it. Okay, I'm gonna take this shade Supernova right here. Wait, was it yeah, Supernova, and go over the inner corners and see what happens. Again, I'm not having high expectations at all, but we will see. Again, I'm not sure how I feel about that. It's needs some getting used to, but made it this far. I'm gonna see what happens if I kind of like blend them a little bit. This might be a mistake, but bear with me. Using a Real Techniques brush, get nothing on it, and just kind of like I think that helped. Now on the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna keep it super simple and just go in with that probably go with the shade Comet, which is right here on this little Natasha Beverly brush I got in the past. Can't remember when or from what palette. Okay, so I put on mascara. I decided to go in with a black eyeliner. Just thought it would pull everything together. And there is the completed look. Again, here are my final thoughts. This palette was nothing like what I had expected. In the sense, these duochromes really kind of tripped me out. Like what they are in the pan, like you really have to swatch them before you use them because you don't know what you're gonna get. I think the look kind of pulled together in the end, but I was a little worried while creating this look. I'm like, I'm not really feeling this, but overall I think it came out pretty nice. Will I do this look again with these colors? Probably not. Like these two colors, okay, I kind of knew what I was expecting. But these duochromes, yeah, I gotta play with these some more. The rest of these shimmer colors. The mattes are, you know, they are what they appear. For the mattes I did love them very much, you know, usual Anastasia formula, so I'm not mad about it. And I kind of wish maybe they would have took out one of these duochrome colors and put another matte, but that's just me. Aside from that, I'm happy so far. Again, I have to play with it some more. That's really it. Like I'm not obsessed with it, but I don't hate it. So maybe I'll feel differently when I do a couple more looks. I hope you guys enjoyed. And maybe in a later date I'll let you know if it's worth the price tag. With that being said, have a good one. Bye.